Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Today, we are going to discuss the question of the year 2013, May-June paper variance 31, question 4. Have a look at the question 1. Solve the equation. So this is a modulus equation where both sides are modulus. So to solve this type of question, you just need to square both sides. So let's add the square to both sides. 4x minus 1 square equals to x minus 3 square. And you need to expand the square. Then you get 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals to x squared minus 6x plus 9. And you just need to rearrange it to get a quadratic equation. And the answer will be just equals to 4 over 5 and negative 2 over 3. For the part 1, it's quite easily done. The problem is with the part 2. Notice the word hence. Hence means that the part 2 is always related to the part 1. And many students actually don't know how to relate it to part 1. Have a look at the question here. You are supposed to solve this equation correct to 3 significant figures. This equation is actually similar to the question in part 1. Notice that we have negative 1 here, which is the same as the part 1, minus 3 here, which is the same as the part 2. The only difference is they have changed the 4 power y to x. And what about this? Is 4x equals to 4 power y plus 1? Let's have a look here. 4 power y plus 1 is actually equals to 4 power y times with 4 power 1, which is equals to 4 times 4 power y. Isn't it the same here? 4 times 4 power y, which is the same as the 4x. So for here, we can conclude that they have changed the x into 4 power y. Since these two equations are actually the same equation, then they should have the same solution. So from the part 1, we have concluded that x is equals to 4 over 5 and negative 2 over 3, which means for the part 2, you can use the same answer. But instead of x equals to 4 over 5, for now, we will have 4 power y equals to 4 over 5. And same goes to the other answer. Instead of having x equals to negative 2 over 3, we will have 4 power y equals to negative 2 over 3. From here, we just need to solve accordingly to get the y's answer. So in order to get the y here, we just need to log both sides. So I will now add a log to both sides. And y power here, you can actually bring down. So it becomes y log 4 equals to log 4 over 5. Okay, so by using the calculator, you will get y equals to negative 0.161, correct to 3 significant figures. As for the right hand side here, we are supposed to use the same method, which means we just need to log both sides. So for now, I'll just log both sides. And notice that for the right hand side, can we log a negative value? You can try to press your calculator. It will show math error, which means for this part, there's no solution. So we need to reject this answer. And this step is actually not needed. Okay, so for this question, there's only one solution for part 2.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.